What is Power Query? In 2013, Microsoft introduced Power Query. Power Query, known as Get and Transform Data in Excel 2016, will allow you to get data from any source: internal data, external data, structured data and unstructured data. You can then transform that data into a usable format and run it through Power Pivot for further modelling and analysis. With Power Query, you can connect, combine and transform your data so that it meets your analysis needs. When introduced first, Power Query was an add-in that you needed to install and you needed to actually turn on. Downloads are available from the Microsoft website for Excel 2000 and for Excel 2013. However, from Excel 2016 and later, Power Query will be found under the Data ribbon. Now in 2016, there's one set of commands, grouping of commands, and that's Get and Transform Data. But in 365, there's now two groupings. There's Transform Data and there's Data Connections. Excel has always been at the heart of self-service business intelligence. With the buzz of big data and the constant talk of analytics, many people have been sucked into believing that Excel cannot do that. There has been a misconception that with this new data trend, new softwares are required. Software that is more powerful. Software that requires specialist training or even a dedicated person. Software that's going to cost a lot. But the truth is, this is not the case. Created as a self-service tool, with Power Query you can carry out complex data transformations without the need to know coding or have a specialised IT department. Just like working with standard Excel, the more you know, the more you can actually do. And then behind Power Query is a powerful engine. This engine uses its own code called M. It's also the same engine that Microsoft uses in Power BI for connecting and transforming data.